It's a new 2024 Cadillac XT5. The distinctive exterior lends itself to more balance on the road and greater space inside, while the engine delivers excitement behind the wheel. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: intercooled turbo V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Call us today at 754-220-1690.